It's about spotting those key behaviors, honing them, and nurturing them until they become second nature. And that's what we're here for, to uncover these 7 hidden habits, the kind that may just alter your path more swiftly and more powerfully than you'd imagine. Habit number 1 is about creating a window of purposeful solitude. Most people run from one task to the next, barely taking a moment to pause. Yet, when you carve out a small pocket of quiet time each day, perhaps early in the morning or before you wind down at night, you unlock a powerful space for self-discovery. It's in that space where ideas are born, intentions are set, and clarity emerges. Imagine stepping away from the chatter that fills so much of your life. You might sit in a still corner of your home, or walk gently among the trees if you have that opportunity. The point is to separate yourself from the noise so you can reflect on what truly matters. You look at where you are, where you're headed, and whether your daily actions align with your deeper purpose. This habit isn't loud or flashy, but it's astonishing how quickly it can reshape your focus. When you engage in purposeful solitude, you break the cycle of mindless activity. Instead of jumping out of bed and immediately rushing into the day's tasks, you spend those first precious minutes gathering your thoughts. You might ponder the goals you've set, consider the tasks you must tackle, and visualize the person you aspire to become. Some people call this a ritual of centering. Others simply think of it as a moment to breathe before the storm. Call it whatever you like, but the effect is profound. You begin your day on your terms rather than letting circumstances decide your mood or direction. Overnight success in many ways is the result of how well you manage your mindset. That's why purposeful solitude becomes such a catalyst. You clear away distractions, you give your mind permission to wander and wonder, and you strengthen your mental foundation. In that quiet moment, you might recognize a pattern that's been holding you back, or dream up a strategy that propels you forward. Without this practice, those insights often go unnoticed, drowned in the whirl of daily life. Many people claim they're too busy for solitude. They think success is about squeezing more into each hour, scurrying from one meeting to the next, staying up late to do more work. Yet ironically, those who invest a few minutes in deliberate stillness often find they gain more time later. Their decisions improve. Their stress decreases. Their problem solving becomes sharper because they're not merely reacting to the chaos around them. They're acting from a place of calm intention. A few moments spent in quiet reflection can reveal wasteful habits you didn't even notice. Maybe you realize you're pouring hours into tasks that bring little return. Or you spot a simple tweak in your routine that saves you from endless frustration. This kind of clarity rarely arrives when you're sprinting through the day. It arrives when you slow down enough to listen. Some folks prefer to write in a journal during this period, jotting down insights or frustrations to see them more objectively. Others meditate, focusing on their breath to quiet the mind.